If you ever feel something crawling inside your ear, don't panic. It might be worms or maggots, which can happen when flies sneak in and lay eggs while you're asleep. The worst thing you can do is try to dig them out with your fingers or tweezers. That only pushes them deeper and could damage your hearing. So what do you need to do? I will tell you, but first, if you don't want maggots in your ear, tap that like, click subscribe, click copy link, and you will see this magic. Amazing. Now tilt your head and slowly pour in baby oil or olive oil. This simple trick helps flush them out safely.